What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gary Medina 92. I really appreciate it. Today's video. It's been 168 days since the Niners lost the Super Bowl. I haven't watched the game since then. Never watched a highlight from the game. Didn't watch the press conferences. Didn't watch nothing. 168 days. I don't even talk about it. It hurts too much. Today, I will be reacting to the Super Bowl. I'll be watching it. And I don't know how my emotions would be since I'll tell you this, my emotions that night. I was at my cousin's house. My cousin Linda and her husband Juan. They're Cowboys and Raider fans, you know. I could tell you this. Everybody that was in that house that night could tell you this. I didn't enjoy the whole game from start to finish, especially when it finished. I didn't enjoy the halftime show with J-Lo and Shakira. I just sat there. I didn't eat no food. To this day, it still hurts. And I'm not lying, it hurts. So, and to show you how I'm watching it, right there. So, and if there's a certain play that hurts me, I'll show you guys that play. All right, let's start this. Ready? Debo is gonna be a great-ass wide receiver. I bought his jersey. The first. I don't really buy rookie jerseys right away, but I bought his right away. I wore Joe Staley's jersey during the Super Bowl. I'm gonna miss having him on my team. Incomplete, 35. When we scored that 3 points, my boy was like, smile, you know, you can get you. I'm like, nah, just 3 points, you know, I can't smile. We need touchdowns, not 3. Andy Reid played a better coaching job than Coach Shanahan. I can tell you that right now. This is the reason why he went for it. He knew he had to go for everything in that game. By the way, Patrick Mahomes deserved his money. That kid's a bright ass. He deserved it. I can't hate on him. He's gonna be one of the greats. See, if we had gotten that fumble, hold on, let me show you. See, if we had gotten that fumble, man, and this would have changed the game right here. When they went for on 4th and 1. Seven, 3. Kittle didn't show up in this game. I could tell you that right now. And that interception, man. I understand it's the game. Anything happens, but that interception killed me right there. The kids are right here. He's the big Niner fan right there. Ten and 3 now. That rookie, rookie year special. He's injured right now, so I think he'll be back 2 months during the season. Hopefully, if there's a season. Ten and 10. This shit right here, that shit right there did not make sense when he got that flag. Because in the Saints game versus the Vikings, the tight end did the same shit, and he got away with it. But, you know, it went into halftime 10-10, you know.
Niners are 2.
Thirteen 10. The Niners gave them too much time on certain plays. They just gave Patrick Mahomes too much time to run around. You don't give that team time. You can't give Patrick Mahomes time to throw. And another fumble by Patrick Mahomes, you know, like if we had recovered at least one of those fumbles, things would have changed. Interception, but Niners intercepted it, you know. And Attic came on. You remember the Super Bowl, baby?
Yeah.
You still mad about it?
Yeah. Sad about it.
Alright, it's back on. This ad needs to end. Alright. The Niners got the ball. Our rookie I'm going to tell you this. Our rookie Sammy showed up more than any of the rest of the team. Kittle and Manuel, I don't know what the hell they were during this game. Uchecks showed up too. If our whole offense had shown up in that game, we would have been good. Bourne, he showed up. He showed up in the second half. The score is 20-10. We all remember that score.
Yeah.
Yeah, huh?
Until it gets worse.
It's about to get worse, huh? And I'm telling you the truth, I put it on my kids, I put it on everything I love. This is the first time I'm watching this since the Super Bowl. 168 days. And honestly, like, it's like, what the hell were they thinking on some of these plays? Like, the team, I think the team just got lazy and they thought they won the game. I'm gonna put it like that. The Niners thought they won the game. You don't play, and you play until the clock hits 0. They played until that clock hit 7 minutes. Then the Chiefs played until it hit 0.
My daddy's actually white.
Huh?
My daddy's actually white.
I'm right? Why am I right?
Because you remember you watched the game with Miguel and Mario and everyone?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that was a different game.
Oh.
I watched this game with Juan and Linda and Jay and oh yeah, sorry, I got distracted. 7 minutes and 16 seconds, 2nd and 15. Patrick Mahomes throws the ball. Tyreek Hill caught it. No, he didn't catch it. My bad. It was when the ball hit the ground. 3rd and 15. This play I will never understand. How do you give him all that time, you know? He was just right there catching it. The Niners defense is tired. You could tell they're tired. And a flag. Our defender didn't look back for the ball. Moore, number 33. Kelsey didn't even have a good game. He just caught that one touchdown, you know, but it's whatever. On a 1-yard touchdown, if you really count that as a touchdown for him. I know it's a touchdown, but I'm saying Kelsey should have been a big factor in. But it was Patrick Mahomes. It was Patrick Mahomes during the Chiefs. I'll say that. It's 2017. Fourth quarter, 3 minutes. If we had just stopped him one time during the fourth quarter. Just one time. In the last 5 minutes, we would stop them one time. 24-17 now. That's basically the game. And Jimmy G throws the next interception and basically ices the game. Sherman had one bad play during the whole game, you know. And the final touchdown that sealed the game with 1:12 left. That made it 31-20. That was just the game. 1 minute left. There was nothing we're going to do. No comeback, no nothing. Chiefs became Super Bowl champions that day. Congrats for them. Show you guys the score. Alright. I still get that taste in my mouth still where it pisses me off. I'm angry. What made me mad most about the whole game, Raider fans somehow became Chief fans. That's the thing that pissed me off. Like, they were basically all over Patrick Mahomes and all that. It's like, stick to your team, bro, you know? Like, that's your division. I'm going to tell you this right now. When Seattle went to the Super Bowl, I didn't watch, against the Broncos, I didn't watch that game. I did not watch that Super Bowl at all. Because we we had lost to them in the NFC Championship. You know? So, and that's my division. I don't want to see them win a Super Bowl. I ain't going to cheer for them. I ain't going to cheer for whoever that's the game. I was a sore loser. I'm a sore loser. I'm going to tell you that right now. I don't give a damn who's in that game. I ain't watching it, especially if it's my rival. So Chiefs fans are the ones that piss me off. Cowboy fans, aka the Cowgirl fans, they're always going to hate. They always got something to say. They haven't been nowhere. We lost the Super Bowl. Yes, we lost. Doesn't matter. We lost. We lost in the big game when it really counted. But, you know, if we had won, they would say we got lucky. So it's whatever. Yeah, I still hold. I have a big grudge. Oh my god, this fucking game put. Oh my god, I can't believe I fucking watched it.
Daddy, when are you gonna end this video?
Yeah, but right now, give me a minute. They wanna watch TV.
No, I'm mad at it.
You're mad? You're mad right now?
Broke my heart.
It broke your heart?
I wanna watch TV.
I'm still faithful to the day I die. I'm a Niner fan.
If we went to the Super Bowl, I'll just tweet for them and then they'll just go back hard.
We just gotta root harder. I was hoping to take him to a game this year, but with everything with the COVID-19, it ain't gonna happen.
Yeah.
Damn, that hurt me, man. I can't lie. That hurt me. Oh my god. I still got tears in my eyes. Alright, well, I have a special surprise this week that's I'm going to be posting on one of my videos this week.
Oh, yeah.
So hopefully you guys check it out. Like I said, please, you see the button on top? Subscribe. We got 85 subscribers. Let's get to 86, 87, 88, 89, 100. Come on. I would appreciate it very much. Anyway, like I always say, I hope all you have a great day. I hope all you have nothing but positive. You know, I hope you guys are doing great, especially the way everything is right now. Stay safe. Wear your face mask. Think of others. Much love, much respect. Keep it 100. Gabriel, come here real quick.
Yes.
Come here, buddy. Angel, come here. Ready? And make sure to what? Subscribe. Like. Comment. And follow us at Gabriel Medina 92.
And wait for a surprise. A new...
Shh, you can't tell them what it is. All right, much love and respect. You guys keep it 100.